Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the burner knob on your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because the knob is damaged or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So these are going to be the knobs right here. You can tell that this one right here is missing, so we need to put one on there. So you can grab your new OEM replacement knob. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So you can see on the back of our knob right here, we've got this D-shaped opening, and that's going to match up with this right here. So the flat part of the D is going to be facing down, and all you have to do is line that up and push it right on. If you do need to take a broken one off, all you have to do is simply pull the knob off and get your new one to put it back on. And after you put that back on, your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.